Hi everyone, this is Sophie and welcome to my channel PinkSugarCotton. Today I have a very requested tutorial on all BT21 characters. I will be using mine as charms, but you can also use them as pins or magnets since they are a flat version. If you want to learn how to make the whole character including the body, then please head to Polymomotea's channel. He made a whole series on these characters and you can see a much more detailed version of them. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. I upload new videos every week. We are going to start by making an oval shape for Koya's head using light blue clay. If you want to turn your pieces into charms, attach a headpin. If not, you can skip this step. Now, flat small sphere for the ears and add a smaller circle of white clay in the middle. Remove the bottom part using an X-Acto knife and attach on both sides of the head. Make a teardrop shape using lilac clay and place it in the middle of the face. Roll out a thin snake of black clay and cut small pieces for the eyes and mouth. Place one piece next to the nose and use a silicone tool to smooth it. Then, repeat on the other side. You can also paint the face using acrylic paints after the baking process. Curve the last snake and place it under the nose, then smooth it out. Now just bake following the instructions of your package. For Cookie, make a sphere using light pink clay and flatten it out a little. Then, roll a tube and cut it into two pieces. One should be slightly larger than the other. Add a piece of vanilla clay in the middle of the ear and smooth. Then repeat with the other ear and attach them on the top of the head. Place a tiny ball of black clay to form the nose and shape it using a silicone tool. Attach two thin and curved snakes under the nose to form the mouth. Now add two small balls for the eyes and smooth. Make the eyebrows using thin snakes of clay and bake. Use light brown clay to make Shuki's head. For the arms, use a darker shade of brown and roll it into a small tube. Cut it in half and place them on the lower part of the body. Then, smooth the joints using a silicone tool. Flat small sphere for the feet and attach at the bottom of the body. Now, add a piece of brown clay and shape it to form the mouth. Attach a tiny rectangle of white clay on the top part of the mouth and smooth. Then, use a thin snake of black clay to delineate the outside part. Continue adding the rest of the facial features. To make band, you will need two balls of white and gray clay. Flat them out using a rolling pin and cut out two circles of the same size. Slice them in half and attach one of each color together. Repeat the process with smaller spheres to form the top part and attach them to the head. Now add all the facial features. For RJ, flat a ball of white clay and make indentations all around the piece. Shape them with a silicone tool until you achieve a fluffy look. Add the facial features using black clay and a silicone tool. Use tiny balls of light pink clay to form the cheeks. Make 2 pointy ears and attach on each side of the head. Mang's head looks like an inverted L, so shape a piece of light blue clay until you have achieved this form. Now, roll a piece of purple clay and flatten it out. Then, make some indentations to simulate the hair. They should be bigger at the top and smaller at the end. Attach it on the back part of the head and smooth the joints. For the ears, flat a small sphere of light blue clay and cut off the end. Then, place them on both sides of the head. Place a circle of black clay and flat it out with a silicone tool. Then repeat the process with a smaller circle of white clay and another even smaller of black clay again. Do it on both sides of the head unless you will be turning them into pins or magnets. For the nose, flat a small ball of pink clay and shape it into a heart. Then, place it in the middle of the face and smooth. Now, roll a piece of purple clay into a thin tube and attach a wire in the middle for a better resistance. Remove a section of the clay and attach an oval shape, then smooth until everything looks uniform. Attach it on the bottom part of the head and bake. The next character we will be making is Chimi, and to form the head you will need to shape a ball of yellow clay and add 2 indentations in the middle. Then attach a circle of white clay in the middle of the face and smooth. Now add all the facial features using clay and a silicone tool. For the ears, create a teardrop shape using black clay and flatten it slightly. Then attach them on both sides of the head. Lastly, we will be making Teta, so grab a piece of red clay and shape it into a heart. Then, flat the bottom part by pressing it down gently. Add a tiny oval of yellow clay for the mouth and keep adding the rest of the facial features. And now we're done! Which one is your favorite character? Mine is Koya. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!